Okay, let's start. First, you have to make Office 2025 folder on desktop. Then you go into Chrome and search Office Development Tool. Open the Download Office Development Tool link and download it. Once Office Development Tool is downloaded, open it and install it in desktop on Office 2025. Then you have to download Office Customization Tool. Search on Google Office Customization Tool and open the first link. Once you open Office Customization Tool link, you have seen some options which include architecture. If you have 32-bit laptop, then you have to download 32-bit. If you have 64-bit operating system, then you have to download 64-bit. I am selecting 64-bit. And next you have a product. In product you have to select a volume license, Office volume license, then leave value as it is and select. I've seen select the version option, choose whatever. After that you have seen apps, select the apps you want to install and select language and then click on export. Once you click on export, choose option Office Open XML format and export it. Once it's downloaded, open file location, copy it and move it to the folder where we install the development toolkit. Then copy the folder and paste it into drive C. Then open the CMD as an administrator and write setup configure configuration.xml. You have seen an error if you install an already previous Microsoft. First you have to uninstall these Microsoft. After successfully uninstall all the Microsoft version, you go into CMD command and type setup configure configuration.xml. You have seen Microsoft downloading your apps. To check it successfully installed or not, go into search bar and write Microsoft Word. Click on it and open. Once it's open, click on activate. After activate, you will easily use.